Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is ROYALHEMU, and right now I'm going out.
I am going now to take my car from the parking, and mask is mandatory because of this bloody virus. And guys, be safe.
Car started. So let me go and pick my friend, and then I'll continue the walk. After 30 days, going out with my car. Now, right now I'm going to pick my friend, and from there I'll go to one laptop service center. So my friend gave a laptop for service, and that's what can I tell you? Okay guys, I came to my friend's place, waiting for him, and said he will come in 5 minutes. Right now I'm going out to check my car service. Actually it's reached 50,000 kilometers, so I had to be for a service. So I'll go there and I will check the service center is available or not in my town. So after 1 o'clock no shops will be there. So before that I had to go there and check. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And first time I have tried vlogging in my car, and so in between the camera is shaking and all, so that's why I didn't vlog completely that day. So after finishing my friend's laptop service, we went to the mechanic showroom and we checked in one of authorized Maruti service center also. So still I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends this video. Bye. I'll catch you in the next video.